After unboxing, first of all you need to do is to sort the like components. The robot has the two motors, so first of all you need to do the connections for your motor. For that you can use the soldering iron if you have, but if you don't have the soldering iron, you can simply peel the wire and pass the wire from the terminal on your motor, and you can twirl the wire around it. So in that way you can give the conductivity to your motor with the help of your wire. After performing the connections for the other motor as well, now you can check that whether you have connected the motor correctly or not. For that you need a power supply. You can use a simple cell, 3 volts 5 volt cell to check it. If you don't have the cell and you have the Arduino, so you can use the power supply from your Arduino's 5 volts and GND. Supply the 5 volts to any of the terminal on your motor and the GND to the other terminals. Your motor will revolve in any of the directions. So in that scenario you can check that whether your connections are perfect or not. Pass the bolt from the motor as well as from the support, but keep in mind that the nut part should be inside the board, otherwise it will cause the hindrance for the board. Connect the wheels and make sure it will not stuck with any part of your robot. Now we will attach a caster wheel which will provide a support to our robot. Sometimes you run out of bolts for the caster wheel connection, but don't worry, tie 2 screws diagonally and that would be sufficient.